This is Ian, founder of In 30 Minutes Guides. Today I'm going to show you 4 must-use features on LinkedIn. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and subscribe, and let's get started. This is my LinkedIn profile, and this is actually where 3 of the 4 features are located. To get to your profile, log into LinkedIn, go to Me, and then View Profile. You'll come to this page. Okay, the first profile feature to use is a profile photo. LinkedIn really encourages you to use a profile photo, and fortunately now smartphones are so good that you can take a pretty good profile photo even if you don't have access to a professional photographer or know someone who can take a good photo for you. So use your iPhone's portrait feature if you can to upload something, and when you come to this page, just click on that circle or the existing photo if you have an older photo. And then if you want to add a new photo, click Add Photo. You can either use your computer's camera, which may not look that good, unfortunately, or you can upload a photo. So that's what I usually do. I'll take a good photo, I'll choose it, I'll put it on my hard drive, and then I'll upload it here to replace the existing one if I need to get a new photo. That's feature number 1. Feature number 2 is a custom URL for your profile. You may notice up here in the address bar, it says linkedin.com/in/Ian Lamont. So that is a really good URL to have for LinkedIn. It says my name, it's short, I can put it in emails and in other places. To get your custom URL, go to your profile, top right corner, you'll see a link that says Edit Public Profile and URL. Click on that. You'll come to this screen, and then in the upper right corner, you'll see a message that says Edit Your Custom URL. Click the little pencil so you can edit it. I'm not going to edit mine right now because you can see I already have a profile that works for me. But if this was a number or something that I wanted to change, I would just click the pencil and edit that. Okay. Tip number 3 for LinkedIn is a headline. Sometimes you may see this on LinkedIn. You'll see other people that have this really snazzy looking headline like, visionary sales executive for XYZ Corporation. You can actually do that for your own profile. When you come to your profile page, click on the pencil icon and scroll down, and you'll see something that says headline. So right now it says founder i30 Media Corp, and I think that looks a little bit dry, so I'm going to change it to something else. Digital media founder. Click save. And you can see that's been updated. And finally, the 4th really important feature to get more value out of LinkedIn is sharing your expertise on LinkedIn. All you need to do is basically share a post. And you can go to Me, Manage Posts and Activity. And basically, if you can check out the post that you've already created, or if you want to, you can add a new post. And basically, just go to the homepage for LinkedIn, start a post, and share your expertise. Okay? And you can just say something like, I have heard LinkedIn has some new features that can help you network. Okay? Whatever your expertise is, I don't know what yours might be, but share your expertise on a regular basis. You can use an image if you want. Okay, so I could upload an image here. You can add hashtags, and then you just post it. And for my areas of expertise, I regularly post updates that kind of share my knowledge. Maybe I help inform people about something, maybe make them aware of an event or something like that. And I think that's a good way to build credibility on LinkedIn and maybe expand your network as well. For more information on how to get the most out of LinkedIn, go to our official website, in30minutes.com or in30minutes.biz. Scroll down, you'll see our book by Angela Rose, LinkedIn in 30 Minutes, 2nd edition. Very popular book. Also, if this video helped you out, if you could like it and follow me, I'd be very grateful. This is Ian Lamont signing off. Thank you so much for watching.